Schmick. So yeah, guys, I've been working on with few automations and just wanted to share you few tools which are really helpful for the automations. Okay, so we have a top tools which is like 360 dialog. This is generally for the e-commerce. You can improve your messaging techniques. Okay, on WhatsApp. It has a good amount of conversion rate. Usually you see on e-commerce means if you have an e-commerce setup and you are just getting in orders or you're getting in just a sign up, then mostly you can track those users by sending them a WhatsApp message or sending them an email. These tools help you to build your funnel, two-way conversions with the users. Then you can potentially like this two-way conversions if someone wants the t-shirts or someone wants like customized categories, so you can directly chat on WhatsApp and the user usually get the converts from WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the tool. You can see the highlights, like if someone message you by clicking on Instagram, then you'll able to see that buy now button, check a size on the WhatsApp. Later on we have the tool like if triple T, automation for the business and home. So this tool generally helps you in multiple. Uh, there are like 900 plus services. Okay, so you can create webhooks. You can create any sheet with this. Do the automations to provide any email notifications or any webhook to tweak with the help. This is similar, but in some pro level, like towards the mobile, you can just create few enhancing automations via phone. Like if you have something like a podcast schedule on Spotify, then it's directly get connected and it gets scheduled on few other channels. Or like you have a meeting with Calendly, then you get connected with the Slack to just know that we have booked for some automation calls or some like that. Third, we have the important beeper. This is like all in your chat one app. Okay, so basically you have multiple apps like Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, Instagram, LinkedIn, all of the chat in one place. You'll have that. So by installing Beep, this is available for your laptop, your Apple and Android device as well. Okay, and it handles this particular chat in one window. So this will be really helpful for you guys to do your things in one screen. Moving on to the next, we have the streamline and automation your entire business in just one app. So this is just an cannot say tool, but combine of multiple tools. They replaces this particular tools and like it's again conversions related to e-commerce or multiple sales related things. You can have a check with this. Then we have the OBS project. This is for the broadcasting software. You can record this video just like mine. Thank you.